Good morning, welcome to the channel. It's a pretty chilly morning today. It's sort of got the old steam coming out of the mouth, so it's really starting to feel quite wintry. I'm just filming here at the service station because it's pretty dark. So today there is a slack water at 9 o'clock, so it's about 5:30 in the morning now, so I'm hoping to get out and get some cast in before the water goes too slack. And then later on, it's going to get up to about 20 knots, so it's probably only be a morning fish, and just to get the old stock up again. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. There's meant to be 5 knots out there now, and then building up to about 15, and then up to 20 in the afternoon. So yeah, it'll be a quick trip, but we'll see how we get on. See if I can try and capture this sunrise on camera. So here I'm just getting set up with some soft baiting, just sort of casting in the shallows here. I did a voiceover because my shoes are rubbing up against the side of the hull and making a terrible squeaking noise, which sort of was dominating the whole thing, so I didn't think you'd enjoy that very much. So yeah, just casting out a Gulp Crazy Legs. I'm in about, I think, 11 meters of water here. I'm just looking now to get my food source for the week, of those sort of middle, medium-sized snapper, and that's what we're up to here. That's a nice eating fish of about 38 centimeters, I'm guessing. Let's get a measure on him. He's well hooked. Right, so we've got 38 exactly. The magic number. I reckon these are the best eating size, 38. They are just beautiful. So one of the things I really enjoy is shallow water fishing, and this is a product that Globiter put out. I love this product, and it comes out with their soft baits. So if you join up, you'll get these sent out to you as one of their packs, and they're pretty good. And they've got some flounder babies, like baby flounder soft baits. So these are they, and what you do, I haven't got any of the flounder soft baits here, so I'm just going to use this one here. Just jam it in the front there, and what I love about these, they don't actually destroy, hopefully you can see, they don't destroy the lure, so you just screw it in like that. So that's, that is going to stay there beautifully, and then just sort of work out where it's going to come out there, which is, so the bait is looking beautiful, and then all you do is just pull it back and put that top in there. So that is now weedless, so you don't need to worry about getting snagged. So I might just put that in a little bit more aggressively. There we go. Whew. It's really got warm out here, so I'm just getting my gear off, but I just want to show you this, because this look around there, this, if you've got a Yamaha FXHO and you when you're at sea, you can't get in the front storage area. So, I've just rigged up some ropes there to a dry storage bag, so I'll try and show you without blocking the view. So I've opened up and just come in here and grab the grab one of the ropes there, and there's my dry storage bag there, so I can just chuck this in now. And while I'm here, just do a bit of a shout out to John Greeny, who imports these things. These are called chill cheaters. And what I like about these is when you're launching, I used to wear boots, and the boots come up to about here, so when you're launching, quite often the water will come up above your boot, so your boot fills up with water and your feet freeze, particularly over winter time. So these are lined, they've got a black lining in them, and I've just got a pair of sort of over boots on, and they're really, really super warm. And then days like today when it's really warmed up, you know, you can either take them off or just wind them down like that, and they're there for when you take off. But that's, you know, that's perfectly acceptable, just doing that. Get the old legs out in the open, it'll sort of shock a few people. There they are, look at those pristine models. Glasses, oh god, that's better, the sun's so bright. Put the jacket back on, and then if the wind does get up and it gets cooler later on, I can just rip that out again and get changed again. The main thing is that you keep dry. You know, you can pull these right up like that, and you can walk in water right up till here and get perfectly dry and not get cold because they're insulated. So I think they're good. So I'll put John's website here if you're interested in buying some. He imports them, they're well priced. John's got, you know, quite a bit of gear for skis as well, and always innovating stuff to help people out, and a very helpful, nice person, like most people who are in the jet ski club that I've met. They're all really nice people, which is one of the benefits of jet ski fishing, is that you just get to meet so many good people. So. Yeah, that's the rock there. We're in about 6 meters here, and it goes obviously up to the rock. And I've got my weedless rig on here from Gulp. They've got just enough weight to cast the Gulp weedless hook, and oh, that was a smaller fish, just grabbed the tail, so I'll have to. Yeah, oh. Right. Yeah, oh bugger, oh shit. Alright, well, there's a big surgy bit just here, which is looking very fishy. We've got a bit of a northerly wind now, the wind's starting to pick up, so that's pushing me along quite a bit. Man, it's just awesome watching these waves smashing these rocks. There's another jet skier out there at the out at David Rocks. Might go and say g'day. Let's try on the other side. Quite a big swell. The tide's coming in now, so the fish are probably going to move around here to get the protection, I'm hoping. Yep. Oh, good fish too. Man, this is a good fish. I think it... Yeah. And if it was a carwhite, it probably should have jumped by now, so I think it is a snapper. I'm hoping it's a snapper, because it'll be a bloody beauty if it is. Oh no! Oh shit. Oh, he's got me around, he got me around that bloody rock. Ah, oh, bugger. Oh no. Okay, we're free. I'll see if I might see if I can drive this fish away from here. Beautiful fish. It's a beauty. Black kelpie fish. Oh, good shot. That is a beautiful fish. We'll let him go. He can have another go. Yeah, mate. How you feeling? I think he's just about right. Yep, he's good. You! I love shallow water soft baiting, particularly these weedless rigs. I follow the guys in Australia on YouTube where they're fishing estuaries and they're fishing snags, and I just love the whole concept. And be able to come out here and catch one of those kelpie fish. So You'll notice a difference in colour with that one. It's he lives here permanently, and he said they adapt to the colour of where they're living. Whereas the schoolfish are red because they just cruise out in the Gulf. They come into Auckland and they cruise out and they come back in. Yeah, I mean some of them become residents obviously, but that was awesome. That's absolutely made my day. I'm so pleased to have that experience. And these, I actually rang Wes, the guy who owns Globite, and I told him about the fish I caught on Monday, which was a little bit smaller than that one, but I just think these things are absolutely brilliant. They are just, you know, so cool. Well, that's it for this week. I'm going to go home now before the wind gets up to 20 knots, and so I'm really thrilled with that day. Got some fish to eat. I didn't sort of film much of that because it's pretty much the same old. Nothing big deal. 38s, which is what I enjoy eating, and but yeah, catching that other fish on the Globite weedless hook was just such a bonus. I really love that weedless fishing, shallow water fishing, really enjoy it. And I believe if you join, I heard a whisper, just a whisper, if you join the Innovators club, community, whatever it's called, there might be something in the winter pack. That's all I can say. Shh. Didn't get a chance to use the new Globite flash today. Just wasn't the right conditions really, and it was really a bit of a soft bait sort of day, but as you saw. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next video.